You is a mother, Instead of trying to help you, try destroy your brother. You is a mother, Instead of trying to help you, try destroy your brother. Him come in the place, scoop and face like him have teeth and waist. And a hype like him and they done put down everyone, but him in a man. Him not know any, him want chase. No liar, him want case. Can't run him, put them chafe, not even time shoelace. You is a mother, Instead of trying to help you, try destroy your brother. You is a mother, Instead of trying to help you, try destroy your brother. Them know why you fi rise to the top, jump on it.
Wheel up the kill everything. Cause you don't know where say you're the maddest kill everything DJ boy, you know?
Yeah.
Oh, so where you gonna do? Kill everything?
Yeah.
When me say everything?
Yeah.
You not left nothing alive, though?
Yeah.
You left something alive? No, we not left people alive, no.
No.
Oh, we kill everything. So mash up the place and kill everything, yeah? Uncle Damon style, see?
That's you, Damon. Deja, it's Uncle Damon. Welcome to the show. Let me kill your confession. So you will go now. So I shut your fist in my I can't have no heart. I want to see the truth. I post the macchiato. They just kick them up to escape them. And then we go.
Kill everything crew. And we run the place. Yeah, come on, fam. We gotta take over the whole place.
Everywhere, bro. Everywhere.
Yeah, some look at you out here. Guys say them name kill everything crew. Just a walk out the place and not stop kill people, you know. Man, look at bridge in me there wait pan, man. Half hour I go now, man. Chop. Chop. About them name kill everything crew.
Yeah.
It's takeover season. Hey, you see the rest of it?
Rasta, come, you know.
Yeah, them name kill everything crew, so them come to kill everybody. I need them with a kill too.
So not deal with life, man. Not deal with life at all. It's killing people every day. Every day, you know. Just see Jah, man, and no Jah.
What, Rasta?
What going on, Rasta?
Yeah, that's what I'm going.
No, I agree there.
You not smoke, you know.
It's for Rasta, man, to smoke, bro.
What kind of thing that?
Fire! KEC.
What are they?
Fire! You know they. Look again, see me see. I will kill everything, fool, nobody take him away, you know. Cause them youth to kill everything, no.
Deal with Babylon, what are they? I agree.
Fire!
One.
Every day is police. Cause them want to kill everything, I need them want to kill too.
Yeah, man. Man gotta live in loving harmony and unity, you know.
If there weren't so many witnesses, blood, you could dead round there, blood. Broad daylight, bruv.
More fire. Rasta, man, just go on. More fire.
Kill everything, blood.
Rasta boy, they lucky, you know.
Every time when we was their age, those youths, we never behave like them. And music, so what I want?
I think that the youth nowadays ain't know themselves still, you know.
I'm saying, look at you, them kill everything through here, bro. Yeah, man. Them die at one just how them would have been to die now, yeah. Because them youth have no wrong with them, you know. Yeah, and some local youth are closer from local youth, you know, instead of the man them take up the music, you know, the man them take up gun. Come on, you boss.
Yeah, the man is Rasta, you know.
Rasta.
Yeah, come on, that's
Wagwan.
Wagwan.
Good?
What are you up to?
I'm there, I'm going beats to it, Jimmy.
Making a beat? Really? Can I see you today?
Alright, I don't know, I'm there, man.
Yeah? Okay, cool. Right, see you in a bit, yeah? Alright.
Holla back.
Hey.
So you wanna holla at man, yeah? Man wanna holla at you too. Long time man see you a clock them. Never know that man did a clock you. Winding up yourself on the dance floor. Don't stop, girl, I wanna see more. I like the way you move them hips, like the sun and the moon or eclipse. Wagwan B.
Wagwan beat.
Alright.
Me alright.
Good, see me.
Yeah.
See me.
You got me going crazy tonight.
Baby, what are you doing? Come off that, man. I miss you. I came all the way here to see you. For real, baby. I need your attention.
Climb up on it, climb up, gal. Company something, why not, gal? Climb up on it, climb up, gal. Climb up on it, climb up, gal. Company something, why not, gal? Climb up on it, climb up, gal. Gal see me something and climb up. Man for me something she a wind up. So it's couple up then join up. Be a gal, so me distinguish. Me Chinese gal speak English, and Japanese gal sound Danish. Climb up on it, climb up, gal. Company something, why not, gal? Climb up on it, climb up, gal.
Again, you might think about going up into the loft and creating more space.
Get it sorted. I'm looking between 8 to 12 months to get things sorted.
You can spend £5,000 to £10,000 on a loft conversion, so that's probably in the region of the amount of value it would have.
Yo,
Hello?
Radi.
Yeah, my brother. You see is the best of business, you know.
Yeah, man.
I want to link you.
Alright, my boss, I see a word, man.
Come on, let me buy 124 Park Drive. Meet me about 2 o'clock.
2 o'clock, yeah?
I respect. Town, built.
Alright. Boom.
And if the mid-terrace were extended, if the loft conversion was done and the extension to the back of the property, I think it would make it more desirable.
Let's
want my boss.
Oh my dog. Well, I make sure the best of the business and you my one link, you know. Trust me.
Really, bless you, my brother. You
Yeah, man.
walk down.
Yeah, well, I'm like a job for you still, you know.
Yeah?
Well, someone went to the family, my brother. And I want them to feed it, you know, so yeah, all information you need to know is there.
Yeah?
It's 100 grand less for you know.
Alright, my brother.
You need to pick up them people from the silence them.
That's your word,
Next mother off, they tell it. You understand?
That's your word, my brother.
Yeah, I just want to silence
That's your word. Anything you say.
everything inside it, man.
Alright.
I know you're the best for that job.
Yeah,
So
man,
respect.
that's your word, man.
Bless you, man. Yeah, man.
Some men say me are the best, you know me are the best, you
Check
don't
it
know.
out, you know, man. Yeah?
For your brother, Barry, the whole of them are dead.
Silence, but thank you, man.
Let's say them name again. Kill everything, crew them name.
For real.
We are going to kill everything, my brother. Alright, my boss.
Yeah,
That's your word, yeah?
Bless you, yeah. No.
Family big and light now. Good boy, I'm not letting up my lighter, you know, half lights around this up. You can go buy a lighter. That is a
Hello. Yeah, what are you doing? I'm gonna find out something here. Yeah, man, someone. Don't come on for the phone of my girl. Every time you call me, there's one motherfucker you talk about in a studio, my job, you know. And that time, this time, I could deal, you know. You want me for that? Yeah? If you want to go on, you go on, man.
No, dog. You must have you just a car.
Yeah, man, so I'm so call you back, yeah? Come and just my brother and I'm going to for reasons, see? Look, come on. Brother. Yeah, man. I'm just a car and I can't come to my studio.
So that's the phone just a car you to dog.
Yeah, man, so man. Some boy finally.
Rich we say this year, rich we say this year. If you're not talk money, we no want fear. Rich we say this year, rich we say this year. If you're not talk money, yes, so you no want fear. Anytime me I walk money. When me open me mouth, me I talk money. And me don't laugh, cause me no play money. In a me bank account, me want be money. Them say for the root of all.
Yo, dog.
Man,
way things are going on, I don't want you to talk on the phone, but you come give me a check, see?
Dog, no say nothing more, not another word. I'll be there. I'm there anyway, so I'm be there, fam. Yeah, fam. Say nothing more. Alright, bless, I'm there.
Ready on a wall for we, then send Babylon to patrol for we.
Buckle out, dog. What I want? Don't know, fam.
So the boy, they will slap it. Your brother, I'm going to be, so we don't even know where I'm going. Because you'll be a things that
Alright.
really get slapped.
A rich boy?
Yeah.
Jesus
Yes,
Christ, dog. A problem this. Problem. But we no bother clag out, man. We dark out, you know, man.
Some leaking must have gone in the things.
Oh my days.
We don't know.
So what we are going to do, dog? Am I not feeling
Rich we say this year, rich we say this year. If you're not talk money, we don't want to hear. Rich we say this year.
Dog, me hear what you say, but what me I go tell my youth them when they say, Daddy, me hungry?
Well, you have to just wait till you play school.
Dog.
If you're not talk money, we don't want to hear. Rich we say this year, rich we say this year. If you're not talk money, so you know want to hear.
But you know from
That
know that.
The heat gone off. I say, yo, be a fence, a surface, the whole place start. For nothing to happen.
A Google thing, you know, the first thing then Google up, a we pop up, you know the thing done.
You just lay back and make man come show you. You have to take on this thing, you see?
I don't think they have nothing for me still. Even, I don't think they have nothing for me.
Well, okay, I think anything come with
I just choose feel cool, the heat
yo,
cool.
tell the rest of them. Because be a man a drop out and we don't even know how them a drop out and how I lick them out, you see? So the man know, say, yo, stay low.
No.
Now we have to just watch it. Place neatly, you see?
Yo, dog, me can't talk for myself. I'll tell the man them still, but me know some man nah go take it, but that. Me know you go say after them problem, but me I go show them. But
no, man, everybody at school right now, every man want to go out there, but
them
we have to
dog.
run up back on them board, because a couple of soldiers them
Yeah.
jump out, so
Yeah.
some man have to dead for that too.
Yeah.
You see it?
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah.
So just make the one them know, say, yo, just do it. I don't know, hot it thing.
Yeah.
See?
Big man thing, yeah?
Yeah.
From the word come from you know, and me I go pass on the word, you see me, it will be done. Don't say nothing
Now
more.
some news chop coming up.
Yes.
A bag of chop around listen to you know. You want to see them?
Alright, go on.
Detective John Brown, I heard that you boys doing all the shooting and killing
Yo.
around here.
Hold on, big man. For the reason, I want to cool.
What's your name? What's your name?
Me, what's my name?
Yo, don't panic, bro.
Easy.
I am Musa.
Easy, sir. Easy.
I am Musa.
Easy.
What's your name?
What mean? If you are going to arrest me, you are going to do something. Just read me my rights.
What's your name? Tell me what your name.
Talk to my lawyer. Lawyer number 0798889. Ring that.
What your name?
Boss. I'm calling Jack Sour.
Jack Sour.
Yeah.
Yo.
You just ask me this question. Where you coming from? What you reason for being here?
A whole heap of shooting at the round here, son. I'm want to know who I do it.
Firecrackers are here, man.
Firecrackers what?
4 cars night, yeah. This is
Yo.
Easter.
Hey, don't. Yo, just stand still. Stand still, bro.
Furthermore, me see your badge, officer.
See it there? And take out your nut out of your pocket.
Alright, officer, do your job.
Alright, yo, I lock up the whole around you, know, because yo, I want to do murder around here. Yo, I want to know what go on, you know. Yo, hey, boy.
Read me my rights then, no?
Yo.
Why you not read me my rights?
Alright, you know, it's the next time when I come back, yo. I don't want to hear nothing.
If you not lock me up, you don't have no reason around
yo,
here.
I don't want to hear no more gun busting in our ear, no more.
A firecrackers here.
Yo, I don't want. Just don't back chat.
So you do your job, officer. Do your thing. You are the big man.
I know you. And your name Zebra. I come back for you.
I know you too.
Alright.
See me, I watch you.
Alright.
Alright, do your job.
You will see.
Do your job, man.
Maybe back, you know, I'll come back.
Whatever, man. Talk to my lawyer.
Yes, Baba, empty.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Yeah, man, sit down and say, man. So, yo, Dan, you see all the money in your crew drop out.
Kill everything about the money show there. The boy can go on the thing.
Yes, the boss there, you know.
You say, you know no more for this.
I lost all this.
Yeah, I lost one for two, because the boy come. I want this blood? Yo, shut your mouth, you know. Hear me now? You're lucky, you know, showing you me come for. You don't say nothing, you know. If you have no word on the street, so you say nothing, you're dead. So you just keep your mouth shut, yeah?
Calm. Kill quick. Where you say what?
Come and feel the vibes. Me I go party till sunrise. Music and disco lights. Me have the girl in my wine.
Boy violator, be a shot. You hear that? No say nothing. Me go call you back. Lord glad you know who them a ramp with. I went call up my agent. Just hold on.
Girl a focus. So no boy so I can't outdate us. Stop it, Madam. Stop it. 1 minute. Yeah, Madam. Where are you? You know what I'm saying? At the studio, I'm going to do it. What going? Nah, man. I'm joking. Which one are you there now? Where you there? I hear me say, yeah? I'm finish what I do and come get a link right now. Yeah, man. Some dope here for go make, man. Kill quick. You hear me? You hear me, General? 20 minutes, yeah? Don't move from his fire, the scene. Alright, let's see how it seems like I have to make a bad man tune because some boy are violating him. Wow, boy. Yeah, what? Road here, man. Some boy dead here now.
I know how we run this blood club, boy violator. Be a shot.
Yeah, because a beer thing I go on from the other day, you know, me say a beer killing him, I know a visit a man them.
But I will kill everything.
I thought them.
Yeah. I feel violate them, them ends from where they want to know. Oh, that. You
don't worry yourself,
man. But them not run this.
We're not doing all the talking now.
Thing I look hot, you know.
Give me a son of my friend.
Hey, I'm listening to my man now. Hey.
Give me a minute now.
Virgin, if you see me, I'm a girl, I walk and I go like you.
I'm a good man.
Yo, take with that, man. I want this,
A simple 6 yard dealing with it.
Deal with that better, you know.
Yeah.
Hey, when I left my man, no,
No matter what you want.
Relax, wait. Take off some things. Take off with that.
When you're blood clotting everything cool. Be a shot. God, yeah.
Hear me say. Everything good. Give me a son, man. Give me a son.
Where you are rapping now?
Everything good, man.
A simple slick on your man now. That me I tell you.
No,
man. Alright. What we say?
Cut off again. Hold on.
Me say a simple slick on your man now. And that me I try to show you. Hear that? Who are your man?
Oh yeah, Musa. What are you crying for?
You're killing my
man. Give me a man a food. Give me a son. Give me a son.
Nothing no good.
Give me a son. Everything good, man. Babes, you don't want them waste man.
Hear me,
You don't want them waste man.
Hear me,
Come out of this. Chris, you see me?
Come out of this, who she?
One tear.
You know, see your head too hot though. That's cool, man.
Don't good.
Blessed love. You know what I'm saying? You know, so I hear that thing when you keep up on the youth or whatever do.
So we just a bad man place there.
Blessed love. Everything.
Follow the rim. Take for yourself. Bomb fast. Hear that?
Yeah, baby, a long time if they are so look at them waste man, then I see a waste man them there.
Well, listen, I stay here, sir. What go on? Only the point.
I'm going to left for some man.
Alright.
Boy, start smelling the can. You know what I mean? Yeah, Bob, the way they deal with the vibes cards are in the yard. Deal with him hard, you know. Man, try to feed him up and everything there. And to free him up, man. Free him up, yes? Well, I've been watching it all on the internet. I'll make you get them busy. Few cell, I'm really checking it out, but guess what happened? Now I have nothing for him, because next man I hold it up in there. That's right. I said, now nothing for this. Like the dance I need him done.
Y'all don't want him to. Y'all don't want him.
I'm supposed to pick up him.
Yeah.
Over 2 years, I'm chopping my family. Deal with him wicked. Like they're making public enemy number 1. Don't like him. Right now? Yeah, I can't come from the ghetto. I don't like him. I don't know how to do that, man. But they can't free up, you know. I'm the same dance. Spanish don't like him. You stand up for ghetto.
I reckon they'll free him up after all. I'm a free him up.
Yeah, man,
They'll free him up.
If I come over for a year, Edward.
I'm a free him up.
He wrote a letter to Baruka, innit? On the radio saying that.
Is it?
Yeah. Muta read out the letter, said that, they're trying to frame him inside the place. And he's writing a letter because he wants to go to the European, human rights court. Because they're not treating him fairly. They're treating him unfairly.
What, gone that far?
Yeah, so they're telling him, bare lies to them. Because every time they come, he writes a letter to his wife. Baba, yeah, about them kill everything career, them man there. Going on wicked, bro. Doing whatever they keep up enough things. Killing man all over the place. Going like, boy, even the police are scared of them, brethren. They're going on wicked.
Well, you can't call it the money around the sun, boss. Because the money will come and pay papa pot around here and pay steel that will blow around here. We can't afford for that. Because barber shop just walk up my lord.
Yeah, man, pray now, man. Yeah, my brother, no matter call them man and name and I praise my brother, because I know the man is too dangerous for me, I'm calling that start. So now, man, no matter do it again here, sir.
My lord, you know them man a long time, I know some wicked man, they don't know why them come around us.
Yeah, please, no matter call them man and name again, my brother. I shop here, man, because I can't take the problem. Let's prepare to talk about football. All right, boss, true. Them man are too wicked. You're right, it's the true thing you're talking, that's right. Anyway, wait. But when you drink that, bust the rum now. Yeah, man, I bust it, man. You can't have a count on them, man. So, yeah, get up and go get it now, man. Get the drink, sir. Come on, man. Where the cup them there? Where the cup? Aye. I look at something like that. Celebration. Oi, where's your man? Where's your... The blood clot, y'all dead clot, y'all.
Anytime me touch the stage. The crowd are ball for me. Anytime me touch the stage. The girls them scream for me. Anytime me touch the stage. The crowd are ball for me. Anytime me touch the stage. The thugs them bust my plan for me.
Jack Tower. Yo. And you know me shop the boy come slap on your soldier what day, you know. A long time I want to team up with the man them, you know. Yeah man, me know the boy there, you know. Me I go move on him phone, you know, to earn my respect, you know. Yeah man.
Anytime me touch the stage. The crowd are ball for me. Anytime me touch the stage. The girls them scream for me. Anytime me touch the stage. The crowd are ball for me. Anytime me touch the stage. The thugs them bust no plan for me. And me cause controversy. And me girl dash where them jams. And me say party every day. So me party all in a me yard. Girl them feel safe round we. Cause we no preach war. And only strap the thug them need. I the one with the beat. Anytime me touch the stage. The crowd are ball for me. Anytime me touch the stage. The girls them scream for me. The crowd are ball for me. Anytime me touch the stage. The thugs them bust no plan for me. And now for this no artist. They get no number one. Anytime me touch the stage. The girls them scream for me. Anytime me touch the stage. The crowd are ball for me. Anytime me touch the stage.
We are doing them house, pussy. Pussy, me say we are doing them house.
Yeah, this kill everything, co. Yeah, got dead with just kill a girl pussy.
Yo, my dog, go on. Eh?
Yeah, man, of them boy, them, I didn't see him one man.
What you say?
Deal with them case now. Don't know when you see it.
Alright, let's say a word. Let's clear right there, sir. Dead pussy. Pussy. For this blood clot gangster.
So
Yo.
you see them thing they are going to start.
You know, so me here say, boy, them run some boy, be things, you know. Who that? Some boy, them call themselves kill everything, cool daddy. I'm like, oh, I've got to give them boy their page or something, you know, you see me?
Yo, bombshell. I forgot when I want to came. Yeah. My mother wait for me still.
Yeah, say mama out the door?
Yes,
Go let her in.
yes. A serious thing.
Bless her.
Hi.
JC rapping again. They go be some shit, nigga. Act like you don't know. They be like, damn, the boys rapping again. He's in the street, guns, he go clap it again. Nobody can stop it again. If you're up against him, I'm sorry, my friend. Hold your head up, little nigga, start to run. Stand on the barrel of my motherfucking gun. And if you don't live to see the sun, I tell your mama, don't cry. Your time has come. Relax, nigga.
Hold on, let me check that. Yo.
Yo, dog. Wagwan, Jano. You know, so one where the boy them just get slapped with.
Yeah.
We don't have to roll upon the boy them no more, because you so God I work it out. A beer drop the boy them a drop out star.
Where are you, say?
Them a get licked from left to right.
Yo, so what them say? I go for the boy then? Alright. Me I tell my nigga them say right.
Yeah, my dog. Yeah, man, want them head back fly out and stick up like jello.
Everything up.
Yeah. Alright, just go and hold him and pick me. Yeah, man, bless him.
What you don't know, so the man them say we don't feel bad and you go move. Cause the same look eat man just slap her two of them. So, we just go and chill and just go and hear what.
Just go and lock the thing then.
So you say the whole thing shall down?
Let's go in and shoot the whole of us, because I'm on a deal with her.
Yeah.
Alright.
I really
Let's go whole of us.
Yeah, man. Real
Alright.
time, real time.
Fundamental. Plus I was pushing a rental, so they ain't got shit on me. I try to be a good nigga, that ain't working. This nigga fuck with me, obviously I heard him, cause I don't take shit from niggas. And if you're out of my reach, I just flip 6 figures. Now your shit fucked up down at the dead. You know niggas was gonna put corns in your head, and now it's too late for you to beg. So get the spades and the fork and the pegs. I'm an evil motherfucker, act like you don't know. Nigga, you go reap the seeds that you sow. Now it's time for you to go, and your family's going with you. You don't want to see in this heart of mine. I was born and raised in the heart of crime. So if I don't trust mankind, it's because real niggas are so hard to find. You don't want to see in this heart of mine. I was born and raised in the heart of crime. So if I don't trust mankind, don't ask me why you're just wasting my time. You don't want to see in this heart of mine. I was born and raised in the heart of crime. So if I don't trust mankind, it's because real niggas are so hard to find. You don't want to see in this heart of mine. I was born and raised in the heart of crime. So if I don't trust mankind, don't ask me why you're just wasting my time.
This is ridiculous, man. Wait. I can't believe my eyes here. Look at this. Can you imagine? Every turn I turn the page. Look. My God. This goddamn thing is going on too long. Something have to be done about it. Hello. This is the Commissioner of Police, George Naka here. Put me through to Superintendent Dan Taylor. Yes, Mr. Taylor. The residents have been complaining about this crime and violence going on in the area there. There's a lot of shooting. And we need some action to be taken. Yes, some action. I'm giving you 1 week. Else I'm going to have to send some of my boys down there to come and sort it out. Do Do I make myself clear? If I find out if there's any corruption, somebody have to pay the price for it. It seems as if the gang have you in their pocket like a little puppet. Heads have to roll. I'm giving you 1 week, and 1 week only. Do I make myself clear?
Just leave them to just still, you know. Definitely things now work as how it work. You know, see.
I mean, my lad.
Fuck keep up.
I know, my lad. So I pay fucking and them look boy there. I go and let my crew man come this all I crew and things that one gun can do side I crew. Tell me so we have more gun on if we want to drive them.
You just leave them certain things you know, and watch them still go through and
true my lad.
Time I will catch up on them because the righteousness of that, you know.
Love, but Rastafari live. The most time. Yeah. How would them boy they kill everything?
They must be bounty killer.
Jesus Christ, my lad. Jah know and them boy even come out of my party, you know, like my.
Fuck up them learn about them.
Rasta, both my killer crew.
How them come from? Them just come in the place and keep up fuck.
Oh my lad.
Killer crew.
My lad.
Give it to we are dealing with.
The Rastafari.
Yes,
I.
Yes, I. We don't deal with living here
We
with a dance.
don't know them, bro. And we celebrate this trend and big all the trend. And I'm going like them complaining for I and I. Old man, are you selling the boss?
Yeah, man, I will check a beef in here.
I check the beer, man, and see in there. Old man, I can see you, but you don't know. Them kill them soon.
Yeah, just watch out for them, boy.
I watch out for them, boy, yes.
I call themselves killer.
All right, bro. I'm a tradition. Yes,
man. Bless. Yes, sir.
Chief Inspector, a kangaroo is some kill everything crew. Me wear the green jacket. I get to find out your dog them up on my tail. But you need to get the dog them off of my tail. Don't forget that my youths and your youths them go to the same school. And anyone may even get a check as much as a stop for one of you guys. May I go around to the school and kill off your daughter and kill your wife and kill everybody. And kill you too. Don't talk. Yo, my dog, you don't know, so I just call the chief inspector boy up at the station and tell him say if he back off, if he ease off our case. Because I said to him, say, if me as much as even see a police boy stop me again, me tell him, say, me a kill everybody.
Pussy, you know where you come from?
Style of British.
Bad mind no want to me rich, you up on me. Right now the beast bitch. I want me rich, me not switch them no want to me rich. Why? Bad mind no want to me rich, you up on me. Right now the beast bitch. I want me rich, me not switch. So I put something aside and I said that for mama.
Charge a lot of people for music crime because they're not doing nothing. They don't help no community center.
Thousand by my side, we are wave the banner from the main to the lane to the black to the manor. Me sure respect, love and bear honor. No for them attack, I me no hear them. Me have to laugh, I tell me no fear them. They could have come from Kingston or Maypen. From a weird size, I don't want give me 10. I want to see me rich. Why them no want to see me rich? Bad mind no want to see me rich. You up on me right now the beast bitch. I want me rich, me not switch.
I could call artist name. Artists like Barry Salmon, Ken Bood, Tinga Stewart.
Them no want to rich. Why them no want to rich? Bad mind no want to rich.
But Marley is a part of it. But Rita and Ziggy Marley, them have to answer for that. Dunbar and Robbie, they are part of it. Greg Isaac, but him pass and gone, but he must charge too.
No want to me rich. Why them no want to me rich? Bad mind no want to me rich. You up on me right now the beast bitch. I want me rich when I switch.
Harry J. Studio is a part of it. Dynamic Sound is a part of it. Prince Buster a part of it. Tony Mataran is a part of it. Beanie Man a part of it. Bounty Killer is a part of it. Shabba is a part of it.
No want to me rich.
Pull up that as a beer shot. Blood clot, the richest blood clot this year.
That's cool, man.
I want to you.
That's cool, man.
Think we have blood clot drink pure beer. None of that.
Rich, no?
When them blood clot here name, some boy get scared here. Calm.
Kill everything. Kill everything.
them.
One more.
Play by the tune. I don't know where I go on. You see it? That I do it. You alright, babe? You have been up your face like a drop seat.
A lot of people will do nothing to the music industry. We're going to charge them and bring them to the court and try them. We're going to try them in music court to do things in Jamaica and the poor people them.
Talk about that. She begs from everything, you know, so from the thing she carved the other day, she not change.
Everything cold, man. Super slick have everything lock. You hear that?
She not change the mood, you know. You may say, put a smile on your face, man.
You know, don't worry yourself, man. Listen to them tune. When you listen to them tune, you know what I mean?
One more.
Riches we are dealing with. Blood clot. See it?
Run it. I want them advice to the brother.
Mad.
You know what? Let me call this detective John Brown. I have a matter to sort out with him. Because, you know, there's something we're not too right. Let me straighten out this thing.
I am British.
Mad thing.
And no one for sure make no money, dog.
Hear that?
Hello, Detective John Brown. This is Senior Superintendent Don Taylor. I'm calling to let you know you're on a case and I'm going to dismiss you of this case.
Set no side, stay positive because
I simply say, I'm telling you, man, low, you understand? You know why I hear? Because I'm going to call them burn money and give.
Shut up! Clot boy. Yo, take blood clot money.
And I want to let you know that you are no more longer on this case. and this musical case with these artists and thing, I want you to be on that case. So your relief of this case is effective immediately.
Artists, why we a move like crabs? Every man just a snap crabs. Artists, why we a move like crabs? Move like crabs. Artists, why we a move like crabs? Every man just a snap crabs. Artists, why we a move like crabs? Crabs. But the killer say him a go wax down beanie. Beanie man say come back me know. What a controversy inna the music thing, it go round like damn, you know. The younger head them cartel and movado. Say head fi split like avocado. Bring in the saga, who me hear? Tommy Lee, popcorn, change the gear. Artists, why we a move like crabs? Every man just a snap.
Oh, them come down, follow man say, you know. Like them boy, you know. Follow man like them a police, you know, virgin. What kind of thing?
Police are police, not bullet up that. For free.
I will tell you. You have the mat then to slap them.
See if them boys still a follow.
Sit down now and see you here. Now we deal. I'll say them off.
Move like crabs. Artists, why we a move like crabs? Every man just a snap crabs. Artists, why we a move like crabs? Like crabs. But the killer say him a go wax down beanie. Beanie man say come back me know. What a controversy inna the music thing, it go round like damn, you know. The younger head them cartel and movado. Say head fi split like avocado. Bring in the saga, who me hear? Tommy Lee, popcorn, change the gear. Artists, why we a move like crabs? Every man just a snap crabs. Artists, why we a move like crabs? Move like crabs. Artists, why we a move like crabs? Every man just a snap crabs. Why we a move like crabs? Move like crabs.
Follow, buckler, man. So how them so one?
Yeah, see this guy is parties. Yeah, man, I told you we should never follow them so closely. What they doing?
You don't know what go on, virgin. Trust me. Yo, hold on, my brother. I call her come in. See? Hold on. Yo, babes.
Jack Sour, that's where you're going.
I can't leave us, man.
Your friend and my dead off from why you come up here and chill out. Cause I don't listen to act.
We ask a man for different turf, man. I want to you, man.
Come now. Why you move so stubborn?
Alright then, don't say nothing.
I miss you, I want you, yeah, come over here, so yeah.
When I come, man, I wait for a pizza. All that fresh. And pack some things and come link you. See?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, but half an hour. Because you are 2 days in them clothes, so I need to change off all them clothes. Is what I say? Yeah? So about half an hour. Alright then. Cool.
Pizza man, don't look round. You what? You see if you want to live?
Yeah.
Put down a pizza there and go on. Pizza man. Yes, my boss. Yeah, man, you know, say I lead them for crew, me just slap with a while ago. Yeah, man. The whole of them get slapped, man. The whole of them dead off, man. The whole of them. Mm-hmm. And yeah, man, me they put that check the way they give me in the bank still. When I tell me they pray for the old bunks, but it got through and everything good. Ah, man, me not say you go around me still, but you don't know more time. Some people play a funny game. Tomorrow the funeral, yeah? Ray and my family. I know some not even to a funeral clothes still, but I look in the closet and see anything when me have a look smart enough for can. You see me I say? Don't know in a gangster thing, you know. Mm-hmm. The rest of money. I say I heard man after the funeral you can give me that man. I know you're not going to try to grow on me man. And I know you're smarter than that. You see me I say? I say I heard my boss man. Tomorrow man. Alright. Yeah man, I pass through man. Even though I'm not wearing a funeral clothes, but then I say me dig up sitting where I look smart enough. Alright my family. No say nothing man. Tomorrow man. Yeah man, me see you man at the funeral. I pass through man. See? Blessed.
This is a sad one, not a happy, not a glad one. This is a all who lost a loved one, and all who lost a friend. That was my best friend, and that's a blessing. Me get me cuts and scars that they used to dress them. To you my love extend. Me really miss me and me two sister. Them your teachers, not just friend. Me I go love you to the end. Me I wonder that if me I go see your face again, but me I want holy faith and go and elevate. Me I go make mama proud and me dog go astray. Can't believe you're gone so soon. Can't believe you're gone in a tomb. Can't believe you're gone so soon. Can't believe you're gone in a tomb. Daddy, can't believe you're gone so soon.
Ashes to ashes, dust to dust. In sure and certain hope of the resurrection to eternal life. Through our Lord Jesus Christ, who will transform our frail bodies.
Rich, but him always a try. Every day that me remember you, me have to cry. Him say go for your goal, son, lift your head high. Reach for the star, the limit is the sky. Everything you teach me start to reveal to me, but not true, them a smile, them no real to me. But even though you're gone, me a go and hold on. Me a go and chant my proverbs and read me psalms. Can't believe you're gone so soon. Can't believe you're gone in a tomb. Can't believe you're gone so soon. Can't believe you're gone in a tomb. Daddy, can't believe you're gone so soon. Can't believe you're gone in a tomb. Can't believe you're gone. You're gone. This is a sad one, not a happy, not a glad one. This is a all who lost a loved one, and all who lost a friend. You're gone, you're gone. Say you're gone, you're gone. Can't believe you're gone so soon. Can't believe you're gone in a tomb. Can't believe you're gone so soon. Can't believe you're gone in a tomb. Daddy, can't believe you're gone so soon. Can't believe you're gone in a tomb. Can't believe you're gone. You're gone.
Parents, don't forget the youth. Them car bad man will recruit them. And Babylon, we shoot them. We shoot them. When me say Wagwan family, them think it's just a hill. When me see me friend them, here is the me I say Wagwan dada, me I say Wagwan sister, me I say Wagwan brother, me I say Wagwan auntie, me I say Wagwan uncle, grandma and grandpa, and me the cousin too. Cause if you can't love your own, oh you will love us.
Shout out to Steve and his family, you know, on a day like this, you don't know. Sad when a man have a loss like that, you know, losing brothers, you don't know. Steve, big up yourself, man. All the way I cry with you.
Your life is in danger. When you say Wagwan family, them think it's just a hill. When you see me friend them, here is the true meaning. Me I say Wagwan mama, me I say Wagwan dada, me I say Wagwan sister, me I say Wagwan brother, me I say Wagwan auntie, me I say Wagwan uncle, grandma and grandpa, and even cousin.
Done him! No, I not smile for your face. Me not convinced. Me not convinced.